Hello and welcome to Soft Expert. And there is a new update on Fiverr, which is to add a profession. And in this short video, I'll go through it and will show you what is a profession, how you can add it, and why we need it. So if you click on My Business on Fiverr, you will see profession. This is, by the way, limited to a certain number of sellers. If you don't find it, then don't worry, you will be added soon to this category, okay? So once you click on it, this will take you to a page like this. Think outside the gig, introducing a new listing experience that emphasizes your unique skills. This page describes what a profession. Okay, so here you can scroll down. You can learn more about profession here. That's why you need it. And at the end of July 2024, buyers will get two options here. Let's say they search for a skill or a freelancer. They will get two options. One is for the services, which is the regular Fiverr gigs, and then another tab for freelancers, where they will see professionals, where they will see the freelancers with the profession added to their profile. Okay, then you can scroll down. And this is how you can add a profession. So ensure you can be found by potential customers looking to partner with experts like you. Then features your unique skills, expertise, and experience. So as I said, this is limited to a certain number of sellers, okay? Then open yourself up to customers with projects that require more flexibility. So you can add your projects, and I'll show you this later on. And maintain control by beginning each potential order with a direct conversation with the customers. So obviously you will have to chat with the client to get an order. Then scroll down and how it works. So click profession under My Business as I showed you, and select relevant profession and fill up the required details by the July 1st. Then customer will be able to access the new catalog towards the end of July, okay? And I will show you how Fiverr can filter out your profile for certain professions, okay? Then scroll down. These are some resources showing you the best practices for a Fiverr profession and then how you can create a portfolio, okay? We will explore this later on. And then if you want to learn more, you can just go to FAQ and you can see what is a profession, will clients see the gigs, and so on. And let me show you these resources. If I open up this one, so these are the best practices for creating Fiverr profession, okay? And this is how you can create a profession. So in the first step, when you click on add profession, you will see a dashboard like this. Then the types of services that you offer, relevant skills, and programming language used, and data science, and which title match your profession. This is just like adding a Fiverr gig, okay? And then if you go to next step, you will see the detail page where you can add profession description and when did you start this profession, okay? Then step 3, where you can add FAQ about your profession. And then in the step 4, you can review your details and then you can publish it, okay? So you can see you will have to verify your identity, add a photo of yourself, and add an intro video which is optional. And the next thing is how you can add your projects. So this is how you can add your project. Create a new project under My Portfolio. You can add a project name, industry, and project duration and cost, and so on. And these are the do's and don'ts for the project. I will provide these links in the description so that you can learn more about the Fiverr profession, okay? So under My Business, if you click on profession, this will open up your profile, okay? So this is my profile, and it have filter out that I am a website developer and front-end developer. So now you can edit any of these and you can add your description, portfolio, and FAQ, and you can publish. So to edit it, just click here and then click on edit. And it will open up a page like this, add a profession, expand your opportunities. So now you can click on next. You can add your title, description, portfolio, and FAQ. Now as I said, this is quite new, so I still have to arrange my title, description, and to create portfolio items. By the way, the best size for portfolio image is this, okay? Keep the aspect of 5:3 and you can have up to 50 MB size, okay? So this was Fiverr profession, a new update to Fiverr. I just wanted to let you know about it. And if you still have any questions, you can again visit the FAQ. And this was an extra topic for my channel as I usually create WordPress videos. For that, you can follow my channel. And still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.